let us utilize Rovo to help the project managers to generate as much as project management documents as needed with the less effort for project managers, so they can actually focus on the timeline, they can focus on the budget, and also they can focus on the scope. This is the project that we're going to be using, and this is the space where we're going to be generating our content. Great, the first document is going to be our project initiation document. So I'm going to write for project, copy and paste, and copy and paste in here. I'm going to say I want you to write a PID and this conf in this space. I don't have to define the confluent space. It's not ChatGPT, it's Rovo within it, so it already knows about both Jira and Confluence. So, and it's saying project initiation template is being used. So it's giving me this kind of thing. It's like a code snippet. Yeah, it looks like a code snippet. Interesting. Project name, project background. Integrate generated AI into existing project management tools, efficiency, decision making, and collaboration. Project objectives. To develop AI-driven features that assist in project planning and execution, to improve task automation and resource allocation using AI, to enhance team collaboration through AI-powered insights and recommendations. Okay, you have objectives indeed. You also have the scope, the in scope and out of scope. Integration of AI features into current project management software. Development of AI models tailored for project management tasks. Testing and deployment of AI features within the organization. Deliverables. AI enhanced project management software. Documentation and training materials for users. Performance reports and feedback analysis. Then you have like the stakeholders, project manager, myself. Then we have like the development team, AI specialists, and end users. That's fair. Timeline. You have project start date. This is actually kind of logical because, well, with this you just enter your start date and the end date and the key milestones as well. Also, it is defining the budget, and this is correct because the budget is indeed the part of the PID. Risks and mitigations. Integration challenges with existing systems. Yes, that is indeed a risk. Conduct through testing and have a dedicated support team. That is the mitigation. And there is also resistance to change from users, and mitigation. Provide comprehensive training and support. Approval, and there is also approved by, and there is the approver's name, and that is it. So that is really interesting. I'm gonna say proceed with creating a page with the content that you have specified. Alright, and right now it should create a page. Alright, and it's now searching through. There we go. Here's the page content, and there we go. This is how it's going to look like. Approval. I'm gonna click on publish page. Now, the thing is, your request to create a PI has been executed successfully. You can view the page using the following link. Do we have it? Indeed, we have it. So, it indeed has been created. So, the PID works. What else do we have for project management documentation? We have like weekly updates for the stakeholders, where you're actually defining what is the status of the project in terms of the scope, timeline, and budget. But yeah, let us go. Can you write a weekly update for this week as a sample, where you will also include timeline, budget, and scope statuses. Green status indicates that everything is okay. Orange, there is a delay. And red, there is a blocker. Okay, let us see if indeed can actually do something like this. Okay, here's a weekly update for Gen AI project, weekly update. So you can insert, so initiative is progressing with the aim to integrate generative AI capabilities into existing project management tools, and yada yada yada. Timeline status, it says it's in green. The project is on track with the planned schedule. All key milestones for this week have been achieved as per the timeline. Budget status, green. The project is currently within the allocated budget. No additional expenses have been incurred beyond the planned budget. Scope status, orange. With the majority of the project scope is being adhered to, there is a slight delay into the integration of AI features due to unforeseen technical challenges. The team is working on resolve these issues to prevent any impact on the overall project timeline. See how easy this actually is? So to write like the weekly updates, you don't have to do and to manually do this each and every single time for your stakeholders when you're a project manager. You don't have to do it. Here's Rovo. Rovo, do this based on this week. Define the you define the statuses, and that's it. Okay, proceed with creating a new Confluence page with this content and name it weekly update for, I'm gonna say, March 29th. Okay, so now I should go on and it should create it. So since I told it, and the trigger is, and I'm saying to it, hey, here it is, I want you now to create it. Alright, should be just there. Okay, this editor does not support displaying this content rule. I don't know what that actually means, but whatever. Content is not available. Okay, let's see, weekly update. There we go. risks and mitigation, stakeholder engagement, regular updates and feedback sessions are being conducted with stakeholders to ensure alignment and address any concerns promptly. And this actually would be great when you can set up the automation rule to actually create a weekly update and send an email to your stakeholder instead of wasting time on doing it manually. So that really helps. Another thing that actually that is crossing my mind is the creation of work breakdown structure. Okay, so I'm gonna say based on the project, can you create a work breakdown structure or WBS document? Alright, let's see. I'm saying one moment while actually we search for this. Okay, searching, yeah. And there is and it's searching for the issues. Okay. And there is also the searching, generating the response. Based on information, here's the draft of the work breakdown structure. Okay. Data collection, everything else. So, yeah. And it's defining the epic, and within the epics, as you can see, it's doing this. Whoop. Why did it go back? What? What happened? Okay, that was weird. Alright, the last but not least, I'm thinking of, so I'm gonna say for project, I want you to create a project charter document. That is another project management documentation. Alright. We're gonna see how the Rovo of this actually is gonna take a look at it, and there we go. It's kind of very similar to the. It's kind of similar, basically, to the PID. It's kind of yeah, it's pretty much the same. Pretty much the same. What is the difference between project charter and PID? Alright. Are both essential projects, so they serve different purposes. So project charter is a high level document, and PID is more detailed document. So the project charter content typically includes the project purpose, objectives, scope, stakeholders, budget, timeline, and high level risks. Content for PID includes detailed project background, objective, scope, deliverables, stakeholders, timeline, budget, risks, and mitigations. Focus on the project charter, it's more about what and why, providing a broad overview and the rationale behind the project. And for the PID, it provides a comprehensive plan for the project detailing the how and when aspects. So that is the difference. And for all project managers out there, Rovo can actually save you a lot of time, because remember, you don't want to use your data that you have within the chat GPT. You don't want to use it there. But with Robo, this is like something that is safe and that you can definitely use. And plus, you can even ask the questions that are outside of your content. And as you saw, I actually asked what is the difference between the project charter and the PID. Okay, that was it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.